Yo guys, what's going on? I am George and this is You Wanna Watch. Welcome back to the shop and welcome back to another restoration. Today we're going to be working on this little 6-inch diamond caulk and horseshoe adjustable wrench. I want to get this cleaned up and put in my collection. I say without any further ado, we jump right into it. Let's go. Alrighty guys, well let's get a good look at this thing. This is the diamond caulk and horseshoe 6-inch adjustable wrench. I do have another one of these over in my little collection over there, but I definitely want to get this one cleaned up. This one's one of the older ones, so yeah, I'm quite excited for this. So I say we jump right into it, start cleaning it up. There's a little screw right here on the bottom, if that'll show. A little tiny screw right here that holds the thumb wheel in place. Most of you guys know this, but for new people to the channel, they might not know that. We're getting there and trying. Oh, jeez. Oh, that's in there, boys. What do we do about that? Let's try a little bit of blaster down on there. Let it soak on there. Hopefully it'll help us break it loose. I don't think it's stuck up here. I think it's stuck down here where it threads into the body. And that's where these little tube oilers come in handy. Kind of direct it right in there. Alright, let's give it another shot. If the PB blaster doesn't work, I'm going to go with my go-to Aero Coil creeping oil. We will get it, guys. We will. I think I'm going to clean this up, throw some heat on it, and then put some more blaster on there. See what happens. Give me a minute. I'm going to get set up for that. Woo, smoky. Turn the fan on. There we go. Alright, at least I can grab it. I don't want to touch this really right yet. I kind of threw a little bit too much heat on there. I wasn't really trying to heat it up that much, but got a little overzealous. Alright guys, well this thing should be cool enough now to start pulling apart. Right there's the pin. Came out nicely. Let's see. No spring. No spring at all. No washer. There's the jaw. And the body of the wrench. Alrighty, we got the wrench completely taken apart. It's nice and dismantled. There wasn't a spring or a washer for this. I was quite surprised. I don't think this thing was ever taken apart before. Who knows, it might have been. But I think what we're going to do is head over to the wire wheel, give it a real quick cleaning, and then we are going to throw it in a rust remover. So let's jump on that. Alright guys, well that's fresh off the wire wheel. It's not in bad shape at all. So I think what we're going to do is throw this in the rust remover and let it soak. Alrighty, let's set this over here so it can do its thing. Here is the product, guys. It's called Deox-C. It's made by the Built Hamper Company over in the UK. All of my UK buddies are going to know everything about this. They've had this for years over there. This is a granulated formula. It's concentrated. You mix this with water. I believe it's 19-to-1 ratio. I use 1 cup, and that makes 1 gallon perfect. So that's a pretty simple formula for that. I spent months and months and months trying to find a supplier to where I can get this. I finally found a group of guys, Carzilla from Calgary. I paid $34.95 for this plus $10.95 shipping. So for under $50, I got basically 5 gallons of rust remover. I mean, you know, I basically got to save money wherever I can, man. So I am going to put a link in the description below for you guys. If you guys do click on that and you order through that link, I will get a small commission off that. I just wanted to let you all know. But yeah, this is the rust remover that I've been using for the last couple of weeks in my shop, and I'm completely happy with it. So try it out. Alrighty guys, well this is about 18 hours in the Deox-C. You can see the solution changed a little bit of color. That's not bad at all. What we're gonna do, pull this out, get all my little pieces out of there. And we're gonna go to the wire wheel with this. Save that over there. That's gonna be reused. Dry these pieces off and wire wheel it down. Look at that. That's clean. That is super clean. I am going to bust out the 1x30 and try and flatten out the face of this a little bit. Probably do the rough little forge marks here on the back side of the handle, underside of the handle. I'm just going to clean it up. All right, well that came out really nice and clean. I'm quite happy with that. I say we jump right into putting this thing back together. A little bit of oil on the inside. Look at that. Close is perfect. No gap, no nothing. That's nice. There was a washer. It was just stuck to the back side of this. Nice. Very, very nice. I'm gonna get a little bit more oil in there, keep this thing lubed up because it's all fresh. Oops, a little bit too much in there. Sorry about that. Well, I guess you can never have too much lube. Yeah, I'm quite happy with that. Quite happy indeed. Single finger operation. Nice and clean. Really clean, to be honest with you. Yeah, I'm quite happy. Alrighty guys, well we are all done with this one. The 6-inch Diamond Calk Horseshoe adjustable wrench came out fantastic. I am quite happy with it. Silky, silky smooth. This thing looks like $1 million. This is going to go nicely in my diamond collection. Don't forget, I do have a link in the description below for this product, Deox-C. It's a rust remover. If you guys are interested in saving a few bucks, you might want to consider hitting that link. That's it for this one. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you enjoyed it. Like always, stay safe, be safe. We'll see you next week with another. Bye.